Hi, and welcome to Tool Zone. Today's video is packed with astonishing skills and seamless execution. These aren't just tasks. This is where hard work meets art. Take a seat and step into the world of true professionals. Changing tires on a massive tractor is like trying to put skates on an elephant. But for a real pro, nothing's impossible. A few Herculean moves, the agility of an acrobat, and boom, the beast is rolling again. This guy's got some serious magic in his hands. Breaking ice off walls looks cool, but can be risky. Safety barriers and warning signs are a must to keep bystanders out of harm's way. Presentation matters, especially in a restaurant, and this dish is served in such a visually stunning way, it leaves a lasting impression before the first bite. When colossal cranes and loaders move together in sync, it feels like a choreography of giants. Every motion is precise, every shift deliberate, a mesmerizing ballet of steel and strength. Wow, creating a masterpiece on paper is tough enough, but turning an entire building wall into a canvas, that's next level. Precision like a jeweler, nerves of steel, and not a single chance to mess up. This is artistic adrenaline at its finest. Cutting PVC boards might look simple from the outside, but try holding the tool steady. It's trickier than it seems. Building a sandcastle isn't child's play. It takes precision like a jeweler, patience like a monk, and nerves of steel. But the result? It looks less like sand and more like it was sculpted by a wizard. You have to admit, this idea is nothing short of brilliant. With that speed and precision, one question comes to mind. Is this a human or a robot, controlling a tool while bouncing a ball like it's nothing? This isn't just talent, it's actual wizardry. This is hands down one of the cleanest, most precise paint jobs you'll see. Truly a work of high-level craftsmanship, worth admiring. She's pure magic, no doubt about it. Just look at the way she handles those dishes behind the bar. Every move is smooth, precise, and totally mesmerizing, like watching a performance. Turning old jewelry into gold bars. Surprisingly satisfying to watch. Gold just has a way of looking magical at every stage. Soldering a pink daisy with molten lead feels like jewelry making with a twist. Heavy materials become delicate flowers in the hands of a true artisan. Who knew painting a wall pitch black in a single pass could be so effortless? Fast, neat, and ready for the next step. It's professional work, no doubt. The right tool can turn even the trickiest task into something quick and easy. Dreaming of flawless steps. This craftsman builds them so elegantly and precisely, you might mistake the staircase for a sculptural masterpiece. Don't let his age fool you. His welding skills are so sharp that even veteran welders are watching with silent admiration. With a touch of creativity, ordinary walls can be transformed into stunning works of art. This technique is called marbling, and here it's applied to silk. What do you think of the result? Applying liquid wallpaper is simple, but it takes some practice to get it just right. This guy's glue application technique is next level. Fast, clean, and zero waste. Casting metal fences is like a blend of blacksmithing and wizardry. Only the magic here is molten metal. Each mold is filled with the precision of a jeweler, turning what could be a simple fence into a true work of engineering art. There's something oddly satisfying about watching other people work. It's strangely calming, especially when you're doing absolutely nothing while they get the job done. corn-based Chinese street food isn't just something to eat, it's a performance. From a humble kernel to a sizzling aromatic treat, the transformation is so tempting, you'll want a bite, in probably seconds. Watching the welding process as each layer is applied is truly mesmerizing and satisfying. Furniture pieces are wrapped in solid colored decorative material, giving them a uniform and elegant look. Why not get creative? A regular construction spatula actually works great in the kitchen, from flipping pancakes to tossing salads. Who knew it was so versatile? With a splash of paint and the hands of talented artisans, this table is completely transformed. Each one adds their own touch, turning it into a luxurious, high-end statement piece. The way this craftsman decorates frames feels like pure magic in motion.